Hi, I'm Chrissy Money Reed with the Oldfather Group of Compass Real Estate.
And I'm Christina Foster, and welcome to 174 Pine Tree Road in Townsend.
This property is very unique. It's settled on 57 acres with a pond, a pole barn, and so much potential. With a vast landscape surrounded by nature's beauty, this property is more than just land, it's an opportunity. 174 Pine Tree Road is the canvas upon which your vision comes to life. Let's take a look. As you walk into the living room, you'll see gleaming hardwood floors and a picturesque bay window overlooking the pond. Just off the living room, you'll find a beautiful formal dining room with hardwood floors continuing throughout. This home features a shared laundry. Just off the side of the house, you'll see a beautiful in-law suite with its own private entrance. Just off the formal dining room, you'll walk into the large spacious kitchen with gleaming hardwood cabinets, a breakfast bar, and a second dining space to enjoy that morning cup of coffee. The primary bedroom offers an ensuite bathroom. There are 2 additional bedrooms with a shared full bath. The home features a full unfinished basement with plenty of potential and its own private entrance.
Thanks so much for taking the tour with us today.
If you would like more information on this property or anyone like this, you can reach me at 302-985-3506.